Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make the perfect vanilla cupcakes. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and turn on your notification as I post new videos every week. Let's get started. Here are the ingredients. I will list them with the exact measurements on the description box below. First, preheat your oven to 160 degrees Celsius and line your cupcake tray with its cases. Next, into your bowl, add in your butter, followed by your caster sugar. Now whisk them all together and add your eggs one at a time while whisking them. Next, add in your vanilla extract and whisk that as well. Now into the dry ingredients, add in your baking powder into your flour and mix that. Sieve your flour into your wet mixture. Whisk them all together. Once that is done, add in your milk and whisk that as well. Now you'll spoon your butter into your cup cases about a third full. Tap the tray and put them in the oven for about 25 minutes. You will know they are ready when the top is golden brown, as you can see here. I've let them cool for around 5 minutes and now I'm transferring them into my cooling rack. I'll go ahead to show you how they are on the inside. You can see how soft and fluffy they are. Now you can go ahead to decorate your 12 delicious cupcakes using your buttercream or chocolate ganache. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you never miss any new uploads.